Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I'm talking about the Dent coin price, the prices occur in the Dent coin, and I'm also telling the big mistake of the Dent coin holders doing it this time, the holders. So please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss friends. For more this kind of news and updates, please click the subscribe button and like this video. And friends, in this video we are also talking about the currently latest update of Dent coin friends. So let's start the video friends. As you can see here on the screen, that is the last one day prices occur in the Dent coin as going positive, and the last 1 hour pricing is also going positive friends. Only the last 1 week, I mean the previous time of the Dent coin, are going wrong friends. Anyways, I feel the current price at this time of the Dent coin as 0.009294 USD dollar is the currently at this time price of the Dent coin live in the market friends. Let's see the price chart of the Dent coin, and let me show what's going at this time in a Dent coin friends. Oh my god, what excited moment for me. I'm very happy. I'm very happy to see this kind of jump occur in the Dent coin. I hope the Dent coin is now ready for the moon. I think that the Dent coin is this time taking a high pump, and I hope that this pump is continuously throughout this month friends, and I hope that Dent coin give you a good amount of profit and the last of this month friends. Anyways, let's talk about the holders mistake. What mistake or this time the holders doing? So please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss friends. As you can see here, at this time the fun occur in the Dent coin friends. So a lot of holders will see this kind of small funds occur in the Dentcoin, so they when a sale has gone, especially the Dentcoin holders doing a big mistake at this time friends. Don't sell at this time Dentcoin friends. As you know, that is just the beginning of the jump. The big pump of the Dentcoin are coming soon friends. That is just a trailer. The big jump, the big pump, the big move of this Dentcoin are coming soon. So that is why I'm asking you to please don't sell it. It's time to only and only hold friends. Anyways, if we talk about the prices occur in the Dent coin, so as you can see here, positive 1.5% change occur in the Dent coin. The highest price is also positive, and the high 0.009357 USD dollar is the highest price of the Dent coin in the 24-hour. Absolutely, the 24-hour reset is absolutely very good. I hope this kind of change continue throughout this month in the Dent coin, so that will make you millionaire. That will give you good amount of profit. Please, it's time to sell. What's your prediction? My prediction is positive. I think that the big pump is coming soon in the Dent coin. What's your prediction? Share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.